What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and today this is probably one of the most requested videos that you guys have been asking me for a long time, and I'm just as excited about it as you are. The Green Monster is coming back. That is right, guys. Welcome on back to TK's Garage. And no, not clickbait, not anything else. The car, and I don't know how the hell this happened, it was made exceptionally clear to me on multiple phone calls, the whole nine. And I guess when I published the video saying I was washing my hands of it, I wasn't going to wait on it anymore. That USAA, they applied a salvage title to the Green Monster. So it's not a certificate of destruction. What does that mean? It means I could register it and put it back on the road. I don't care if it has a salvage title. Now, somebody else might care if it has a salvage title. Now, I know there's a lot of questions that you guys are going to ask, specifically about what's going on with Collision Works and my attorney sending a demand letter to Collision Works, i.e. Gerber Collision. And let's cover that part first. So first, my attorney has basically said they haven't got any response yet from Collision Works and or Gerber Collision. So, if they end up seeing this, shoot me a DM or hit my attorney up before we end up going to court. Two, the interior for the car is still missing. The entire interior. How much does that subtract from the value of the car? Well, you guys remember the whole reason that the car got totaled in the first place was because USAA or some genius in the claims department wouldn't just cut the electronic payment to pay us the $8,000 to fix the interior, and I was going to eat the exterior and fix it myself. Luckily, USAA screwed that up, because as soon as another body shop looked at that car and looked at how bad the mil spec was all around the body of that car, negative, Ghost Rider, that car is a disaster in paint, bodywork, metalwork, the whole nine. But for me, I don't really care about all that, because you guys know what I'm going to use the Green Monster for. The same thing I've been doing. It's going to go on a trailer, and it's going to go city to city, state to state, track to track, and I'm going to go have fun with the car. That's basically what it's going to be, and it's why I would have bid on it if it was certificate of destruction, but I had a limit. I had a much lower limit I was willing to pay for the car. Now, I'm going to be honest. I don't have a really high limit that I'm willing to pay for the Green Monster now. And I know a lot of you guys on here want me to win the car back. Let me be clear. I 100% want the car back. But I'm not going to pay retail for a car that you and me, we both know how fucked up the car is. We know how bad the bodywork is. We don't know if those airbags are going to deploy ever. If I get into an accident, that car is not safe. I would not drive it on the road on a regular basis. It would be a track car for me, and that's it. And for you guys, I know a lot of you guys are upset because you're like, I can't believe you're just going to abandon the car, or you wouldn't keep it. You wouldn't try to get it back or fix it. It's not that I don't want to get the car back or that I don't want to fix it. I do. You guys know I want it. But I also could go pick up that same car right now at another dealership for like $42,000. So why am I going to spend 30 something for a car that's missing its entire interior? That's what made that car special. It wasn't just the F8 green paint. It was the pizzazz or the panache that I gave it when I put my decals, my swagger, and all that stuff behind it, right? When I had that custom exhaust made for that car and those gold seats, that's what made the Green Monster special. And if it's missing those gold seats, it's not the green Monster. What am I going to do? Take the car with one seat and pay $35,000 for that car at Copart, even with a salvage title? No, I'm not going to do it. So I'm not going to tell you what I'm willing to pay for it, because I can tell you right now there's troll bidders that are in here that are going to try to be slick and try to bid the car up. Well, warning to you dumbass motherfuckers that may try to bid this car up. Have at it. You can get stuck with it, because I am perfectly okay with walking away from the car, 100%. In fact, update, I actually got a message. Remember we lost out on Slimepack_392's car? Yeah. The gentleman that bought that car, yeah, he hit me up. He don't want to do anything with it. And he wants to sell it. So we're really just waiting on him to get the title for the car. So here's the thing. If somebody wants to bid me up through the roof and think they're slick, you're going to get stuck with the green Monster. And then you're going to massively overpay for a vehicle that is completely fucked up in the bodywork, and you're going to have no interior. And congratulations, you played yourself. I'm cool with that. I know some of them might want to buy it because they want to build their YouTube channel with it. And I'm also cool with that. If you bid and win that car, if you're willing to spend 35, 40 grand for it, have at. I find it very interesting that my Dodge Ram at Copart is, I say Dodge Ram and it's pissing you off, I know, but my Ram Rebel 1500, my 2021, is a pure sale. My Challenger isn't. That's not an accident. USAA knows that I'm going to bid on my car. Believe me, they know it. So they're leaving it up as on approval. Let me be very clear in case somebody else from USAA sees it. When I do win this car for 20 or 25 grand or whatever I end up winning the green Monster back for, I'm not counter bidding shit. So whatever that car sells for at auction, if you counter bid me, I'll win it the next week and the next week. And then you got to hope that I'm going to want to keep my interest, because like I said, I'm willing to walk away from the car. And guess what? Everybody else that's already been out to Copart to see it has said the same thing. God damn, the inside of that car is fucked up. The carpet's not snapped in. The entire interior is missing. The interior is all cut up and shit where they didn't replace those parts. Yeah. So understand this. You can bid me up. You could win. Somebody out there could win the green Monster. And I will congratulate you and have at. And you're going to spend the $8,700 in just interior parts. Congratulations. You played yourself. So for somebody that wants to win it because they want to fix it and keep it on the road and flip it, not going to happen. Because USAA is not going to let that car go for 20. It's going to be like 25, I'm guessing. So, and that's not where my budget is. You know, you guys know I can afford more than that. And I'm willing to bid to what I feel personally the car is worth. Do I have an emotional attachment to the car? Yes. But I have this up here, and I'm not a fucking idiot. I'm not. And I can tell you another thing too. My wife is not going to let me buy that car for 35 grand, for 30 grand, for 40 grand. It's not going to happen. I will walk away from it. But I am going to give a valiant effort. We are going to try to buy the car back. I know you guys want to see it. I want it too. And this was an update video. I just dropped a bid on it. It's available. Y'all can go bid it up right now. Birdman Hand Rub, I'm here for it. I'm here for it. Bring it. Understand, like I said, if you bid it up and you get stuck with it, hey man, I'm all about supporting Copart. If Copart gets your $600 because you really don't want to pick that car up and eat that, whatever you want to bid the car up to, again, congratulations, you played yourself. Because I have a limit. I know what I'm willing to bid on the car. And that's going to be it. And anybody else I'm now seeing that's looked at it from overseas and other people that's hit me up, because it's butt naked, there's no interior, the tires are shot on it, duh. and other stuff, no one's just buying it. You're going to have to put a set of 4 tires on that sucker, right? So you're looking at $1,400 in tires off the rip. You're looking at another $8,700 to fix the interior, and that doesn't even fix the fucked up paint work that we've all seen. It's not worth it for somebody to buy to try to fix and flip with a salvage title. So I think we have a good opportunity to get it back, and we could put the Green Monster back in the fold with a fresh wrap, because the paint is all fucked up. We know that. It's going to have to be wrapped. And it could come back as my main track car, and I'm here for it. If you're here for it, let me know. Hit that thumbs up button and comment down below if you really want to see me win it, and what do you think I should stop bidding at. I'll listen to your suggestions in the comments below. But if you're excited, like I'm excited, let me know. And again, like I said, we'll see what happens. I think part of the money that I'm going to end up putting towards this car is money that we're probably going to get from Gerber and some kind of settlement, or Collision Works for all of the shit that we went through. And I'm going to give you guys a dedicated video on that. I'm actually setting up a time with my attorney, David, where we can do a video conference and talk about the issues to kind of educate you guys if you ever get screwed by your insurance company in a direct repair facility. Because I learned so much in this experience that I want to be able to pass that knowledge on to you guys so that you guys don't get screwed. I think you can hear in my voice I'm a little excited, right? It's almost like I have that same smile in my voice when I'm about to do something savage or petty to somebody. Yeah, I'm happy. Let's see what happens though. Damn, I can't believe it, man. When I saw the title status say salvage title and not certificate of destruction, you know I did this immediately. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I'm hype. I'll see you guys on the next one. From sitting. Oh.
Bring back all memories right there.
Yes, sir. Oh. Perfect.